Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Manpreet. So today's topic is future simple tense. We are going to study about the future simple tense. In this video, we will be covering the what is future simple tense, its example, its structure, its positive sentences, its interrogative means question sentences, and its negative sentences with its doubts too. So let's start with its definition. It is used to talk about the actions that will happen in future. With its name only, we can get to know that we are talking about future, that we are going to talk something about the future, because in the name it's future simple tense. I will go to school tomorrow. Will go to school tomorrow means I'm talking about tomorrow I'll go to school. What is this formation? Subject plus will plus this object and its base form plus its object. I will go is the base form, will is this, and its I is the subject. She is the subject, will call is the base form, you later is the object. So this is the formation of the simple future tense. Okay, now if I am talking about the negative sentences, these are the positive sentences. If I am going to talk about the negative sentences, like, then what will be its formation? Its formation will be subject plus will not. Will not. It can also be written as like this: won't plus base form. Plus base form. I will help you. If I am writing over here, it's one more example. It's like third example. I will help you. If I am writing this in negative form, so what will be the answer? I will not help you. I will not help you. I will not help you. Will not, it's by using will not, we'll be making it into negative sentence. I will go to school tomorrow. I won't go to, or we can say I will not go to school tomorrow. She will call you later. She will not call you later. So these were the positive sentences with the negative sentences. Let's make one more. She'll call you tomorrow. She will not call you tomorrow. I will learn English today. I will not learn English today. I will talk to my friend. I will not talk to my friend. So you're getting my point? How we're making it in positive future tense and how we're making it future in negative sentences. Now if I'm going to make it in the question form. Now if you're making it into question sentences, means we are asking someone about this. So how we'll ask the sentence or someone in future tense, in simple future tense. What will be the formation? Will plus subject plus verb. For example, will you help me? It will end with the correct. If it's question, it will end with a question mark. Will you come with me? Will you play with me? Will you take this? Come with me. There are many types of sentences like this when we are asking someone something in the simple future tense. So in this video, we have learned about question sentences. First of all, we have learned about positive sentences. In positive sentences, then question sentences, then the negative sentences. These three types of sentences are very important in all the types of tenses, because we are talking something in positive, something we are talking about not, and something we are asking. We are asking the question. So this was the formation of this. If I'm going to talk about this positive sentences, let's revise it again. Will you help me? If I'm talking in positive sentence, so what we'll write? I will help you. Subject plus will plus base form of the verb. This is the subject, this is the will, plus help is the base form of the verb. And then the object. If I'm talking about in negative, I will help you. Will you help me? I will not help you. This was the quick revision. I will not help you. This is in negative. And again, seeds formation, subject plus will not. Will not can also be written as won't. Can also be written as won't plus base form of the verb. As usual, base form of the verb. I'll help you. Will you help me? I will not help you. This was all three types of sentences for the simple future tense with their formation and with the example. So I request all of you to go through again this video and see whatever doubts are